Everyone, I hope you all are fine and healthy. Once again, I welcome you all to RKP online classes. Today in this video session, I am going to start chapter number 1 in your GK book, that is Animal World. Students, as you can see, as you know also that in our surroundings, there are two different kinds of animals. Some are wild animals and some are domestic animals. There are two different categories of animals that are wild and domestic animals. So what are wild animals? Wild animals are those animals that live in jungles, because it is not safe to keep them in our home and to keep them near our surroundings. That's why we can see those animals in national parks or in zoos like tiger, cheetah, giraffe or lion, elephants. Whereas domestic animals are those animals which we can keep in our home. It is safe to keep them in our home, like dogs, cats. Students, so in animal world, as in your chapter, 8 questions are there. So I am discussing all the questions. So first question is, which animal has the biggest ears of any living animal? Which animal has the biggest ears of any living animal? You might be thinking it's elephant. Yes, you would be right sort of. The African elephant. The African elephant has the biggest ears of any living animal.
And do you know one more thing, students? That the large ears of African elephant help these elephants and other mammals also who live in the hot and dry environment to get rid of the excess heat. These animal ears are large, as you can see in this video. The ears of these animals are very large and thin also, and they house many tiny blood vessels. That means African elephants' ears have large blood vessels that are also visible from the back of the ear, and the blood circulates through these blood vessels, cools down, then continue to circulate through the rest of their bodies to cool the rest of them. Elephants use their ears as fans. Have you ever wondered that elephants use their ears as fans? How? Look at the video that both elephants are flapping their ears. And when they do this, when they flap their ears, that means they are actually using their ears as large fans which help them to cool down. That's why the African elephant does have the biggest ears of any living animal.
Students, our next question is, which is the tallest flying bird? Tallest flying bird in the world. So if we talk about the tallest flying bird in the world, it's Sarus crane. Answer is Sarus crane. So Sarus crane is the tallest flying bird in the world, and they are found in the Indian subcontinent, Southeast Asia. Which part of Asia? Southeast. Okay, southeast part of the Asia. So which bird is the tallest flying bird? That is the Sarus crane.
Students, the Sarus crane are found in parts of the Indian subcontinent, Southeast Asia and Australia continent. It is the largest bird found in India and also the biggest in the world. And do you know, students, Sarus crane is almost as tall as an average sized person. That's why these features make Sarus crane so special. If we talk about how tall is a Sarus crane, then it stands up to 6 feet tall. That means they are 6 feet tall. As you can see in video, they are 6 feet tall, and the weight of Sarus crane is approx 5 to 12 kg.
Students, our next question is, name the fastest diving bird. Here you are to tell the fastest diving bird. So the answer is peregrine falcon. peregrine falcon is the correct answer, because this bird is the fastest diving bird in the world. And also the name of peregrine falcon means wanderer. The meaning of the name peregrine falcon is wanderer. And peregrine falcon is also known as duck hawk. Is also called by the name duck hawk. Okay, and the meaning of the name is wanderer. So peregrine falcon is famous for the fastest diving bird in the world.
Students, as you can see in this video, the speed of the peregrine falcon. Why it is known as fastest diving bird? Because it can reach more than 300 kilometers in 1 hour. And if we talk about where they are found, so they live on all the continents except Antarctica continent. In fact, the peregrine falcon is fastest animal too on earth.